Hello, today we are going to explore how to install and embed a viral loops widget inside your Framer website. So what we have here is an example of a Framer website. The first thing we're going to do is go to the website settings. Scroll down and find the head tag. Here we will copy and paste the viral loop snippet from the installation step of the campaign wizard. You will paste this snippet at the end of the head tag section. Once added, press on the Save button and go back. Now we will show you how to embed the viral loops widget. Click on Insert, search Embed, and add the embedded element. On the HTML option, you will add the widget's HTML code that you can copy also from the installation step. Once pasted, you can now accommodate the widget in any part of your website. Then, once you publish these changes, you will have the viral loops element shown on your page.